Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you do custom animation work on Camtasia. So for that, in the left side here, you can see there are so many things. I'm going to use annotation. Just clicking on this and selecting shape. You can also select highlights. So many things here. I'm selecting shape for the easiest example. Now I'm going to select this one. I'm going to select two of these, like here. Now in the left side here you can see animations, just click on it, and the first one in animation you can see custom, just drag it like this, drag in both ways. Now you can just make it like this. Now you can just again do this, just broaden it. Now for the second one, just do this. And here you can see the both star in the same way. You can change the color of the stars. Just click on this fill and just change the color as you want. Here you can see the color is changed. You can put this animation custom effect in so many things, just like you can just put a video from your media and you can just put this animation custom. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.